Welcome to my channel. In this video, I will show you how to fix high ping and reduce lag in Roblox on Windows step by step in a simple way. So let's get started. First, click on the Start menu and type CMD, then open Command Prompt. Now type ping Roblox, and press Enter. It will display your current ping. For example, in my case, it shows around 144 milliseconds, which means higher latency and can cause lag while playing. Now, let's move to the solution. The first thing you should do is disable any VPN you are using, because playing while connected to a VPN can increase ping and create lag issues. To do this, press Windows key plus I to open settings, then click on Network and Internet and select the VPN option. Here you will see your active VPN connections. Simply turn off all the switches to disable them completely. After turning off the VPN, go back and test your connection again, or open Roblox and check your gameplay. In most cases, your ping will drop and the game will feel much smoother without lag. This is one of the fastest and easiest fixes for high ping problems. So that's it. If you like this video, then like, subscribe, and press the bell icon for updates.